friend, today we're gonna redesign this dress. First we bought this simple dress and my daughter wants something unique. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna take some lace that I have left from one of the dresses. It's light blue and see-through, and I will cut the edge and I will use one of the flowers. So I already cut the edge of the fabric and it looks just like this, a simple ribbon lace. And now we will sew on a ruffle right at the edge all the way around like this. And the flower part I will cut all around so it'll be clean edge, and we will sew on the front part. So I will cut the mesh all around. Okay, as you see, our detail is ready for to be sewn. Before we're gonna sew, I will add a little pearl in the middle of the flower. You can glue it or sew it, depends what kind you have. Mine is one side flat. Okay, our detail is ready. We're gonna pin on the dress just the way how you want it, and you are welcome to use any kind of lace, or it can be embroidery bear or maybe unicorn, whatever like your options are. And then we'll take a needle and a thread. The color have to be same color as the lace, and when I'm sewing I'm taking just a little piece from the white fabric and then the lace, and I am gonna sew it very delicate. You want to make sure even the wrong side will be clean, and I'll show you later. So I'm gonna sew all around, and this is how clean it looks at the end. And this is the wrong side. As you see, I have just little teeny pinches in the back side. After we finish, we are ready to start on the hem. You have two options. First options, you can lift the foot up, and as you see, we can move the fabric with our hands. Place the ribbon exactly how you want it to be sewed, and then just move with the hands on a free move, and you can sew the edge. Or if you have a home machine, then I would recommend to put the foot down and just sew it all around, just how the shape is going. Don't be afraid to try maybe on a little piece before you start sewing on the right fabric. I'm gonna sew it all around. In case if you have to use two pieces of ribbon, when you're gonna sew, try to match the ribbon. Just place one on top of each other and then sew it on the top. Okay, so this is how it looks, the edge, and this is the back side. Before you finish, don't forget to press all around him. I am also gonna use some leaves for the same lace, and I will place them on the dress and I will sew them. So this is our final look. As you see, looks cute and simple still. You can redesign any dress with different ideas. Just be creative and try. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more.